Yes, everybody, welcome back to the Golan R. Today I'm going to react this video. Let's get started. Oh,
Write around my symphony, play with me, look into my eyes and see. People walk away but never say goodbye.
oh, that low notes though. But the intro is so dramatic. This is going to be powerful.
Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry?
See,
Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild.
see.
Every day I'm losing my mind. Holding on, and this mysterious ride.
Ooh, her voice is so clear and strong, and I love this song. Yes, I love this song. Love the lyrics.
Dancing in the storm, I got nothing to hide. Take it out and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again.
See.
I'm still broken from this hurricane.
Smooth transition. Smooth transition.
This hurricane, living in a fantasy, ecstasy. Everything is meant to be. We shall pass, but love will never die.
Okay.
Hours and hours and hours. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild.
Wow. She used her soul vocals in that part, and it really hit different. Wow.
Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide.
Their voices blends beautifully.
Take it out and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane.
The raspiness. Wow.
This hurricane.
Wow. That head voice, those ad libs. This is a perfect duo. Wow, imagine seeing this in Eurovision with the perfect lighting. Wow, that would be boom.
Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it out and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane.
Okay, this duet is everything. The way they did the harmonize. This is like a battle and a love story at the same time, guys. Really, I don't know. That's how I felt.
This hurricane צריך מגדולות, תפילות, אפילו אם קשה לראות, תמיד אתה משאיר לי אור אחד קטן.
Wow, the feels, the emotion. Okay, absolutely 10 out of 10. Yes, that was absolutely amazing. Wow, this performance is passion and drama. Na 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 na. Love the way they sing it. The fact that they each of them sing with their own style. Genius. This is the end of my reaction. Bye bye.